So welcome back to a new video with us, Rainbow Stuff. And today we're gonna start a new sessions with me, Nadine. Now it's Let's Talk time and time to talk with Nadine. Getting started. How can we start making a conversation? By asking questions, by introducing ourselves. So, how often do you like to express myself in English conversation? In English conversation, I'd like to ask a question. For example, hello, how are you? What's your name? How old are you? Or we will start talk about ourselves. Talk about myself. My name is Nadine. My family, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Friends, I have a lot of friends and they are so lovely. Hobbies, I like swimming, ride a horse and playing guitar. So, would you like to start talking about yourself or start asking the questions? Talk about my interest, not your hobby, no, the interest. For example, I'm interested in taking care of my health by eating healthy food and doing exercise. What about you? I'm interested in doing also exercise or to start my day with drinking a cup of coffee or tell us about your interests. Plan what to say before I talk. Now, if you have a job interview or some speech you would like to talk in a public, you can plan what to say before you start talking. It would be more organized and much easier for you. Talk with people I already know. So if you know some friends or people in your classroom and you want to ask them about your answers so you can get a chance to compare the answers together, it would be a great in order to see that if your answers are important or you have still to improve them. Listen to other people talking. If you want to learn language, any language in the world, you have to listen and try to listen to their talking, the way they are talking, by listening to a music, to their songs, conversation, whatever you want or whatever you are interested at, you have to listen in order to speak in a correct way. Talk with native speakers. So if you get a chance to talk with a native, it will be an excellent example of practicing your language. So try to take it and get a greater chance out of it. Students are taught to memorize sight words as a whole by sight, and yes, you can make a sentences using these sight words, and we say that sight words is only by the sight or looking without trying to know the spelling, and that's sight words. Now we have a group of sight words we can use: here, here, I'm here, I'm here, said, said, he said, he said, lock, lock, I lock, she locks, they lock, play, play, she plays, little, little, I have a little sandwich. Pronouns. Object pronouns. Those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence, as they are me, you, him, her, us, them, and whom. Any noun receiving the action in the sentences like these pronouns is called an objective pronouns. Me, them, us, it, her, him, you. So these pronouns are the pronouns that receive the action. Objective pronouns examples: I give them cookies every week. So here's the pronoun receive the action. So they give them, or I give them. They got, the things. I give them. She gave Jim and me extra cookies. She gave. And also here the pronouns receive the action. Jim and me. She gave Jim and me. Bob took her to work Monday. Bob took her. Her is an objective pronoun. Our grandparents gave us candy. Gave us candy. That's it with this video and this session. See you next video and be ready to learn English. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.